Today, we travel back thousands of years to the ancient city of Babylon. With its towering walls, hanging gardens, crowded markets, and gold-filled treasures, Babylon was the richest city in the world. Yet even inside this wealthy city, there were poor people. How was that possible? How could people live in a city full of gold and still remain broke? This is the story of Arcad, the richest man in Babylon. Arcad was not born rich. He was a simple scribe. He worked long hours, earned little, and watched others become wealthy. Every day, he asked himself the same question. I live in the richest city in the world, so why am I not rich? One day, his childhood friend came to him and said, "We grew up together. We studied together. Now you are the richest man in Babylon, and we are still poor. What is the difference between us?" Arcad smiled. "Wealth," he said, "is not created by working harder, but by following the right rules." And he shared the first law of gold: pay yourself first. From everything you earn, keep at least 1/10 for yourself. Most people do the opposite. They pay the baker, the landlord, the taxes, their needs, and nothing remains. But the wealthy act differently. They pay themselves first and learn to live on the rest. Because when a person begins keeping part of what he earns, he gains a servant. That servant is money. And when treated correctly, money works day and night for its owner. But saving alone is not enough. Many people save and then lose it. So Arcad explained the second law: make your money multiply. Money must work. It must create more money. Every coin you save is a slave. Every coin you invest brings more slaves. Money is like a tree. First a seed, then a small plant, then a tree that bears fruit every season. But the tree only grows if planted wisely. Which leads to the third law: seek advice from those who know. Most people lose money by listening to opinions instead of experience. A brickmaker does not understand jewels. A fisherman does not understand camel trade. When you invest, listen only to those successful in that field. The fourth law: protect your money from loss. Greed destroys more people than poverty. People run toward fast riches and lose everything. Money runs away from those chasing impossible profits. Slow wealth is safe wealth. The fifth law: own your home. It reduces expenses, increases security, and strengthens the future. And the final law: increase your ability to earn. The greatest asset is not money. It is knowledge and skill. The more you learn, the more you earn. For life. Arcad summarized the laws of gold. Save a part of what you earn. Make it grow. Protect it from loss. Invest with the wise. Improve yourself. Babylon did not become rich because it had gold. It became rich because its people understood how money works. And that truth has never changed. The secret of wealth was never hidden. It was written thousands of years ago, and it still works for anyone who follows it.